What's up, Evolution Beauties? Your girl is back. Yes, I'm here. I'm back. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this turquoise kind of like fun ombre look. And I did it with some Amazon hair. Yes. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I'm going to do this hair review. I received this hair from this company. I'm going to show you right here. And right now it came in a brown paper bag, not paper bag, but like a paper like packaging, like you know how people send packages out. It came in that. I probably throw it away anyway, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. And as stated right here too, it's a 613. I think that's like the type of color it is. I don't know, y'all. Me and wigs, I'm still learning, y'all. Don't beat me up. It's a 613 lace front wig, human hair. This is how it, and it's 22 inches, y'all. So this is what it came in. Okay, and let me see. All right, so I'm gonna take it out the package. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Let's see. I believe it's a lace. Yeah, it says a lace. I think it's a frontal. So let me just see. All right, and that's how the hair looks. This is how it looks. Shout out to the company that sent me this hair. I'm going to color it, y'all. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be coloring it. Y'all probably see from the title anyway. It's not, you know, it's not thin. You know what I'm saying? It has like a nice amount of hair on it. I could tell you that much. It's not really shedding either at all. So that's always a good thing, right? So yeah, that's how the lace look. I hope I'm doing it right to show y'all how it looks. All right. All right, ladies, so on to what you're going to be using. I got this bin from my Family Dollar for like $6. It's a little much, but I'm going to use it for right now. A mixing bowl. And also I got this Adore Color Honey Brown 48. And I saw on TikTok a lady use this for actually tinting her lace. Aquamarine Tintation Kiss Colors. And I'm also going to be using the Moonlight. Now, I also got some bleaching powder just in case. All right, so right here, ladies, we're going to be using the Gots to Be spray. And I saw this technique used on TikTok too. I'll be learning so much on TikTok, y'all. So I believe they use this method in order to not stain the lace. So this was actually a good idea. So right here, I'm just using some warm water, nothing too crazy. And then I'll actually pour the color in. This is the first color that I will be using. I'm not going to talk for the whole video, so I'm going to let you guys enjoy the video. And if you have any questions, make sure to put it in the comment section below, okay? So enjoy the video.
Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you.
that's it, ladies, and that's how I achieved this look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, as well as Pinterest, guys. I have it to Pinterest, and you can follow me on that as well. Yeah, it came out good. What you guys think? Yes, I would never do this, guys, but this is so cute. Anyway, see you guys later. Ew, my nails looking all hit.